Hi, I'm Beverly Marshall. I'm a life coach and motivational speaker. One of the things that I like to go and talk to people about is how if we work through the things in our life that are tough, we can find out what we're really meant to be doing in our life. I tell my story to people about how I worked through 2 suicides, both my husband and my father, the loss of my mother, the loss of my stepfather, and then one of my children who died of a heart problem. And I tell people that over the 10 years that it took me to get through all that, I found out that deep down inside I had value, I had a calling, if you will, to go out and help other people to work through tough things in their life. So now I speak about that and I inspire people that no matter what's going on in their lives, that you can reach deep down inside and find out what you're meant to do and turn anything and everything around. I help people move away from depression, move away from addiction, move away from limitations and difficulties that are holding them back from really living the life that they were meant to live. So visit my website, www.beverlymarshall.com. Visit my blog at www.bevsheart.com, or call me, and I would love to talk to you more about the work that I do. Thanks.